Hi, Jenny here. I thought I would share with you one of the breakfast recipes that I eat. Granted, I've only had it once, but I liked it and wanted to make it again. So it's a recipe out of the book Fiber Fueled. Bought this over Christmas ago, thinking that I would read it again, trying to help heal my gut. Didn't get around to it the last couple months. But in the back of the book, he has recipes. He's kind of got an eating plan to go over for like 30 days or whatever. One of the recipes is creamy coconut pudding with pineapple. I didn't know if I would like this recipe or not because it has a lot of chia seeds in there. And I know the chia seeds sometimes have a texture that's kind of slimy-ish or whatever, but some people think it tastes like tapioca pudding. I thought it was good. It didn't remind me of tapioca pudding, but it wasn't bad. I didn't feel the texture. Maybe there's enough other ingredients in there. So, anyways, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, and 2 cups of pineapple. If you have a date, you can put a date on there too. And then you need some type of a container that you can use that has a lid on it. I happen to have this one, obviously from pasta sauce. I never even took the label off, but I liked it. I saved it because it has like the cup measurements on here and stuff, so I can use it that way. But anyways, some type of container that you can use because you got to shake it up. So in your container, you pretty much add everything except for the pineapple and coconut. Those will be your toppings when this is all done. So I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Oh, I missed. So I get for trying to do that in the air. Sloppy, sloppy. All right. Let's do our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I seem to find the chia seeds are kind of static electricity type of thing. So yes, they go all over when you pour. I don't know. Maybe because I have a plastic cup. But anytime I add those to anything, they go all over. Alright, 2 tablespoons flaxseed. Alright, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Cover it up tight. And shake, shake, shake. Have a tight seal. It's all mixed up. And now you put it in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or overnight. So I'll see you back in a little bit. I forgot. The recipe actually said leave it in the fridge for like 20 minutes, shake it, put it back in for another 30. So it's still pretty liquidy, but the chia seeds are fluffing up. I'll put this back in the fridge for a little while yet. So this recipe serves 2, which then would be 1 cup's worth of this. Actually just a little bit more because with the chia seeds in there it puffed up a little bit more than that, but we'll see how this is. Last time I made this, I made it I did it overnight. So it's pretty good. And then it calls for the 2 servings, 2 tablespoons of coconut. Well, I kind of like 2 tablespoons of my own serving, so that helps. I'm gonna give it some sweetness. It's good. Because I didn't show you the puddingish part. All right. Even though I have the coconut in there, you can kind of see it when I poured, but it's a little bit liquidy, but it thickened up. So more almost like a cereal than a pudding. So I think if you leave it overnight, it'll thicken up just a little bit more. The recipe also called for 2 cups of pineapple. So I like the chunks. You could get any kind, I suppose. You could get the rings, chunks, the crushed. So I think it just makes it easier to eat when they're already in small pieces. But so each serving then gets 1 cup of pineapple. And obviously you can add other stuff to this as you care for. You taste it, or if there's other stuff you like to add to your oatmeals or stuff, any nuts or other berries, or you can obviously add more. One more. All right, let's go in there. Pineapple juice. Mm-hmm. Yum. All right, and that's all there is to this nice tasty breakfast. So as you see, that fills this whole cereal bowl, soup bowl. So again, try it. See what you like, what you think you can eat. For me, I think this would be 3 servings worth, but that's me. Anyways, who wouldn't like pudding for breakfast, right? Give it a try. Something a little different. I hope you like this video. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Gotta hit that the word more to have it expand the whole description, and you'll see the recipe there. Yeah, let me know if you've ever tried like a chia seed type pudding before or not. I'm going to eat my lunch. It's a breakfast, that's lunchtime. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Ooh. That is really so good. Almost like a little bit of vanilla pudding. You got the sweetness, a little coconut and the pineapple in there. Oh, so good.